This is Supernight. I don't know if you can see any difference. And I'll turn around so you get different lighting effects on my face. Whoa! And actually, I'm standing under a lamppost that is automatically coming on and off. That doesn't help my Supernight test. I've filmed some more shots on Supernight of trains arriving at the station, trains arriving and leaving, just to give you an idea of what Supernight looks like with movement. Should we walk now? This is Supernight mode.
This train has 10 carriages.
And that looked quite well lit, even though it's night time. It's dusk, turning to night time with lamp lights. That seemed to look okay, right? You know, I don't think I've said this, but I really miss being able to zoom in. On the Pocket 3, you can just kind of punch in and get a bit closer. That's the only thing I miss with this camera, the DJI Nano, is the inability to cut close. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut close in the edit on Supernight so you can see if it's any good.
The next train to leave platform 1 is the 1930 Southern service to Brighton, Croydon, Emsworth, Southport, Chichester, Andrew, Worthing, Lancing, Shoreham, Southwick, Rocksteady.
Here's a comparison between the DJI Pocket 3 with no Supernight on and the DJI Osmo Nano with Supernight on. We've got lots of weird lighting going on because the lights are automatic. So when the train came in, it tripped off all of the street lights, the lamps. This is the DJI Nano on Supernight mode and the DJI Pocket 3 just with no Supernight on. To say, this thing is magnetic, so come over here, look, watch this. I can just stick it to a post like that and you can get a groovy shot, so you can walk away and just walk past it. You know, there's vlogging shots, so I'll do one of those walk past vlogging shots. Thanks. Brilliant.
Can you please help my dad get to 1 million subscribers? Just click on his face. Thanks, bye. Can we have dinner now?